Good morning, students of class 10th. I hope that you are well at your homes. And in the previous video, we have discussed about the functions of a bank. That the two basic functions of a bank are it provides loan and it accepts deposits from the public, right? And we have also discussed that loan in common language is known by the name of credit, right? So the other name for loan is credit. Now, let us understand that what are the situation of credits, right, and why in India the rural credit or people are not able to get good amount of credit from the institutions, right? So in your books there are two different situations given on page number 43, right? So let us read that. On page number 43 it is written two different situations. A large number of transactions in our day-to-day activities involve credit in some form of the other, right? Credit is the other name for loan. I would like to remember you once again कि लोन का दूसरा नाम ही क्या है, क्रेडिट है. तो लोन और क्रेडिट में कंफ्यूज मत होइएगा. और लोन का मतलब क्या होता है, जब हम किसी और पर्सन से पैसे लेते हैं और फिर बाद में उसको वो पैसे वापस करते देते हैं तो वो उस प्रोसेस को लोन कहते हैं. ठीक है. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. A large number of transactions in our daily lives involve credit in some way or the other. Credit loan refers to an agreement in which the lender supplies the borrower with money, goods or services in return for the promise for the future payment. Right? कि फ्यूचर में पेमेंट मिलेगा इस भरोसे पर लोग क्या करते हैं, अपना जो पैसा देते हैं किसी और पर्सन को और उसी को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, क्रेडिट करते हैं. लेट अस सी हाउ क्रेडिट वर्क्स विद द फॉलोइंग एग्जांपल्स. और आपकी बुक के अंदर दो एग्जांपल दे रखे हैं. लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड दैट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द फेस्टिवल सीजन, राइट? द एग्जांपल इज नेम्ड बाय द नेम ऑफ फेस्टिवल सीजन. So let us read and let us understand that what is festival season. It is festival season 2 months from now, and the shoe manufacturer Salim has received an order for a large trader from a large trader in town of 3000 pair of shoes to be delivered in a month of time. Right. So हमारा एक डीलर है and his name is Salim. What does Salim do? Salim is a trader and he has and he is not a trader, he's a manufacturer basically, and he's a manufacturer of shoes. And for manufacturing, due to there is Diwali the next month, after 2 months, so he get a order for 3000 shoes, right? The manufacturer got a order of 3000 pair of shoes from a trader. Okay. To complete the production on time, Salim has to hire a few more workers for stitching and passing work and pasting work. He has to purchase the raw material. To meet these expenses, Salim obtained loan from two sources. He asked the leather supplier to supply leather now and promised to pay him later. Second, he obtains loan in cash from a large trader as advance for payment for 1000 pair of shoes with a promise to deliver the whole order by the end of the month. Right? कि हमारे पास क्या है, सलीम के पास दो जगह थी जो है क्रेडिट लेने की, और उसने उधार कैसे कैसे लिया. फर्स्ट ही टुक द लेदर from the leather supplier and he told the leather supplier that he will pay him the money after some time, and he will pay him later when he will get the money after selling the shoes. He will pay it, and so he got the loan from the leather supplier. और दूसरे केस में उसने क्या किया, उसने जो है एक किसी ट्रेडर से जो है पैसे जो है उधार में ले लिया इन कैश. राइट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फ्रॉम द लेदर सप्लायर एंड अदर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कैश. फिर by the end of the month, at the end of the month, Salim is able to deliver the order, make a good profit and repay the loan that he had borrowed. कि Salim क्या करेगा, at the end of the month he will pay the money and he will get the money from the trader. By delivery he will get the money, and after getting the money the Salim will pay the money. Right. So this is the condition of Salim. In this case, Salim obtains credit to meet the working capital needs of production. The credit helps him to meet the ongoing expenses of production, complete production on time. and thereby increases earning. Credit therefore plays a vital role in vital and positive role in this situation, right? कि सलीम ने क्या किया, सलीम ने जो है लेदर शूज वाले से लेदर जो है उधार पे ले लिया और कहा कि मैं तुमको बाद में पैसे दूंगा, और कैश जो है किसी पर्सन से उधार पे ले लिया और कहा मैं तुमको कैश बाद में दूंगा. And in such a case, Salim is able to pay off his obligation of order of 3,000 shoes, and thus he is able to earn some money also. Right now, the example of Swapna's problem. Swapna, a small farmer, grows groundnut. Right now, एक तो हमने पढ़ा festival season वाला. Second was Swapna's, and in the heading itself, it is given as Swapna's problem. So let us understand and see what is Swapna's problem. Swapna, a small farmer, grows groundnut on 3 acres of land. स्वप्ना क्या करती है, उसके पास एक 3 एकड़ का लैंड है और उस 3 एकड़ लैंड पर स्वप्ना जो है अपना ग्राउंडनट माने की मूंगफली ग्रो करती है. शी टेक्स अ loan from the money lender to meet the expenses of cultivation, hoping that her harvest would help repay the loan. That she is taken money from the money lender and अपने cultivation के expenses के लिए, for that she had taken, and she feel that after her harvesting कि जब वो अपनी crop harvest कर लेगी मतलब cut कर लेगी, उसके बाद she will be able to pay back the money. Midway through the season, the crop is hit by pest and crop fails. और मिड सीजन में क्या होता है, मिड सीजन में ही उसकी क्रॉप पे पेस्ट लग जाता है, मतलब कीड़े लग जाते हैं और उसकी क्रॉप जो है फेल हो जाती है. दो स्वप्ना स्प्रेज हर क्रॉप विद एक्सपेंसिव पेस्टिसाइड, इट मेक्स लिटिल डिफरेंस. शी इज अनेबल टू रीपे द मनी लेंडर एंड द डेट ग्रोज ओवर द ईयर इनटू अ लार्ज अमाउंट. राइट, सो शी इज नॉट एबल टू पे द मनी लेंडर, और इस वजह से क्या होता है, उसका जो अमाउंट है बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है. Next year, Swapna takes a fresh loan for cultivation its normal crop the year, but the earning are not enough to cover the old loan. And next year वो क्या करती है, स्वप्ना फिर से जो है एक जगह पर जाती है, फिर से जो है लोन लेती है कल्टीवेशन करने के लिए. एंड दिस ईयर शी इज एबल टू गेट द क्रॉप्स गुड एंड शी इज एबल टू सेल देम, बट the amounts collected from selling the crop is not enough to repay the current loan and the previous loan. Okay, she is caught in debt, and now she is caught in debt. There is a word known as debt, D-E-B-T, B silent होता है इसमें, so it is known as debt. And now she is caught in debt because though she is able to pay the debt for the current year, but she is not able to pay the debt for the previous year, and the interest of the previous year is charged again and again. Right, it is recurring. She has to sell a part of the land to pay off the debt, and in the case of Swapna, she had to pay the debt. Now, जब हम दोनों एग्जाम्पल को कंपेयर करेंगे, फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल फेस्टिवल सीजन और सेकंड एग्जाम्पल स्वप्नास प्रॉब्लम. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल में जो हमारा मैन्युफैक्चरर था सलीम, उसमें हमको एक पॉजिटिव साइड देखने को मिली. We got a positive side of the loan that he was able to repay the money and उसका काम भी हो गया, that he had a order of shoes, तो उसने अपना शूज का ऑर्डर भी दे दिया और अब जो है मतलब अपना ऑर्डर भी फुलफिल कर दिया, लोन का पैसा भी चुका दिया, सब कुछ उसका ऑल इज वेल. बट इन केस ऑफ स्वप्ना, she have a problem because she took the loan twice, for the first year and for the second year. For the first year when she took the loan, she wasn't able to repay back the loan because of the crop failure. The crop of Swapna failed, and as the crop of Swapna failed, she was not able to pay back the loan. Right, and the second year also she took a loan because without loan she cannot cultivate, she don't have that much capital. So when this happened, this year her crop did not fail, but now the old loan was a problem for her. Right, so we have taken two examples of loan and both of them are in front of you. In rural areas, the main demand for credit is for crop production. Crop production involves considerable cost on seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, water, electricity, repairs on equipment, etc. There is a minimum stretch of 3 to 4 months between the time when the farmer buys these inputs and when they sell the crop. Farmers usually take crop loans at the beginning of the season and repay the loan after harvest. Repayment of the loan is crucially dependent on the income from farming. In Swapna's case, the failure of the crop made loan repayment impossible. She had to sell a part of the land to repay the loan. Credit, instead of helping Swapna improve her earning, left her worse off. This is an example what is commonly called as debt trap, right? It is called as debt trap. स्वप्ना का जो example है, that is a classic example of debt trap. Now let us analyze the situation. आपकी बुक्स में भी दे रखा है कि in the rural areas क्या होता है, people take loan because in farming activity there is a difference of around 3 to 4 months in the sowing of the crop and the cutting of the crop. In the sowing and in the cutting, there is around a time gap of 3 to 4 months, right? And in that time gap, the people are very much in need of cash, because at the time of sowing only the farmers will be requiring cash. Cash तो तब चाहिए होगा ना, जब जो है रिक्वायरमेंट होगी कब, जब सोइंग करेंगे, और जब से सोइंग करेंगे तब से लेकर जब तक जो है उसमें क्रॉप के अंदर पानी लगता रहेगा, फर्टिलाइजर्स लगते रहेंगे, पेस्टिसाइड लगते रहेंगे, इंसेक्टिसाइड लगते रहेंगे, तब तक आपको जो है पैसा लगाना है. एंड व्हेन यू विल गेट द मनी, यू विल गेट द मनी व्हेन यू विल हार्वेस्ट द क्रॉप्स, व्हेन यू विल हार्वेस्ट द क्रॉप्स. So this is the reason why the farmers in rural India are going in a debt trap, right? And if the farmer has taken a loan and all the other things he has taken, and at any time the crop fails, so when the crop fails, the farmers will face a debt trap, because they will not be able to pay the debt, and in the next season also they will have to take the loan. In the next season also they will have to take the loan, right? So this is the problem. Credit in the case of in this case pushes the borrower into a situation which is a recovery, in which the recovery is very painful, right? In one situation, credit helps to increase earning and therefore the person is better off than before. In another situation, because of the crop failure, credit pushes the person into a debt trap. ये हमने दो सिचुएशन पढ़ी. पहली सिचुएशन में क्रेडिट की वजह से सलीम की अर्निंग अच्छी हो गई थी. सेकंड सिचुएशन में जो हमारी वो थी कैरेक्टर, मेन कैरेक्टर स्वप्ना, शी फेल इनटू अ डेट ट्रैप, राइट? To repay her loan and to sell her land, and for that she has to sell her land. She is clearly much worse than before. Whether the credit would not be useful or not, therefore it depends on the risk in the situation and whether there is some support in case of loss, right? So ये किसी पर डिपेंड करता है, ये रिस्क के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. If there is calculated risk, like in the case of Swapnil, it was a risk but it was a calculated risk. स्वप्ना के केस में ऐसा नहीं था. So let us understand the topic कि हमारा जो क्रेडिट होता है, लोन होता है, लोन can be beneficial also and loan can not be beneficial also. It can make the situation worst. कि जैसे स्वप्ना को क्या हुआ था, अपनी लैंड बेचकर अपना लोन चुकाना पड़ गया था. ठीक है? Now अच्छा, ठीक है. Now let us see your next topic, that is terms of credit. कि हमारे जो भी हम लोन लेते हैं उसमें क्या क्या टर्म्स होते हैं. So the topic now is the terms of credit. Okay, देखिए कोई सा भी आप लोन लेंगे तो लोन के अंदर जिस भी आप इंस्टीट्यूशन से लेंगे, चाहे वो आप किसी बैंक से लें, आप किसी फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन से लें, या फिर किसी एक मनी लेंडर से ही क्यों ना लें, you will face some of the terms and conditions. So what are the terms of credit? Every loan agreement क्या है? Every loan agreement specifies an interest rate which the borrower must pay to the lender along with the repayment of the principal, right? So the first term of credit is always the interest rate, right? कि जो हमारा इंटरेस्ट का रेट है पहला वो होता है. In addition, lenders may demand collateral security against the loan, right? The second condition is the security, मतलब collateral, जिसको हम लोग हिंदी में कहते हैं गिरवी, कि कोई चीज गिरवी रखवानी पड़ती जब आप कोई चीज लोन लेते हैं, और आपको प्रिंसिपल के साथ साथ जो आपकी ब्याज है, राइट, द इंटरेस्ट, दैट आल्सो यू नीड टू पे. सो कोलेट्रल आपकी एग्जांपल दे रखा है. कोलेट्रल इज एन एसेट दैट द borrower owns, such as land, building, vehicle, livestock deposit with bank, and uses this as a guarantee to the lender until the loan is repaid, right? collateral basically क्या होता है? collateral एक तरीके की सिक्योरिटी होती है जो कोई भी जो पर्सन लोन ले रहा है he keeps it with the bank. Okay. If the borrower fails to repay the loan, the lender has the right to sell the asset or collateral to obtain the payment. Property such as land, titles, deposits with bank, livestock are some common examples of collateral used for borrowing, right? ये कुछ एग्जाम्पल है कि हमारे जो है लैंड वगैरह हम लोग ज्वेलरी वगैरह यूज कर सकते हैं फॉर कोलेट्रल. अब देखिए, इंटरेस्ट रेट, कोलेट्रल एंड डॉक्यूमेंट रिक्वायरमेंट्स एंड द मोड ऑफ रीपेमेंट टुगेदर कंप्राइजेस द टर्म्स ऑफ कंडीशन. कि जो सबसे पहले हमारा क्या हो गया? इंटरेस्ट हो गया, सेकंड हो गया कोलेट्रल हो गया, है ना. नेक्स्ट इज डॉक्यूमेंट होगा, एंड द फोर्थ वन इज योर मोड ऑफ रीपेमेंट. Mode of repayment. So these four things comprises of the terms and condition for the repayment of the loan. And if these four things are not there, then the terms and conditions are not fulfilled for the repayment of the loan. Okay. आपकी बुक में एग्जाम्पल दे रखा है एक हाउस लोन का. अब मेगा has taken a loan of ₹5 lakh from the bank to purchase a house. The annual interest rate of the loan is 12% and the loan is to be repaid in 10 years, right? कि हमारा क्या है? Rate of interest दे रखा है 12%. So first condition is complete, interest rate 12% and period is 10 years. Next, इन मंथली इंस्टॉलमेंट मेगा हैज टू सबमिट इट्स बैंक. तो ये हमारा क्या है? ये मोड ऑफ रीपेमेंट हो गया. मेगा हैज सबमिटेड टू द बैंक डॉक्यूमेंट शोइंग अर एम्प्लॉयमेंट रिकॉर्ड. नाउ डॉक्यूमेंट्स कौन कौन से हैं? हमारा एम्प्लॉयमेंट रिकॉर्ड, उसका ये क्या हो गया? हमारा डॉक्यूमेंट हो गया, राइट. एंड सैलरी बिफोर द बैंक एग्री टू गिव अ लोन. The bank retained as collateral the papers of the new house which will be returned to Mega only after she repays the entire loan. और सिक्योरिटी हमारी क्या हो गई इसके अंदर? जो वो हाउस खरीद रही है वो हाउस, राइट. सो दीज आर योर टर्म्स ऑफ क्रेडिट. ओके. सो आई होप स्टूडेंट्स आपको एग्जाम्पल समझ में आ गया होगा एंड टर्म्स ऑफ क्रेडिट क्या होते हैं वो समझ में आ गए होंगे. वो कंडीशन जिसके ऊपर क्रेडिट मिलता है. नाउ we will meet in the next video and we will be discussing about the formal and informal sectors. Okay, so till then stay at your homes and stay safe. Thank you.